Hi guys, good afternoon. So very nice weather here. Today is sunny. Very nice weather. I have still alive my plan. Here we have bell pepper. This bell pepper guys. It's really big, you know. It's very big guys. You see this guys? It's very big. Also my a lot of carbon. Yan. Nagkuha ko lang yung iba guys. Ito yung aking may chili. This is my chili. You see a lot guys. But this is all. You see there's cream. This is very spicy. You see so spicy guys, just spicy, but this is good already. So beautiful, this like this. We have so nice weather guys. Everything is very hot guys. You see guys, it's a beautiful day everywhere. See, but really hot. I don't like guys, and it's my plant. I really take out already my plant guys. Ang init. Kita ninyo guys. Oh, ang lamig. It's really it's a beautiful day guys. It's a beautiful day. When I